Looking for a simple yet powerful way to manage FAQs on your PrestaShop store and reduce customer support queries? The Advanced FAQ module is the perfect solution. Welcome to the feature video of the Advanced FAQ module for PrestaShop. This module is developed by FME Modules, a leading PrestaShop development company having more than 150 modules in its catalog. Let's see what this module can do for you. Display FAQs on a separate page, organized into categories with smooth accordion-style navigation. Allow customers and guests to rate, comment, and like or dislike FAQs, adding feedback and social proof. Provide a convenient option for users to submit their own questions via pop-up or a sliding form. Show FAQ blocks anywhere on the website, enable search and manage topic positions, hooks, and visibility by customer group. Now let's see how the module works on the front end. Customers can easily access the FAQ page, where all topics and questions are neatly displayed. They can expand or collapse questions to view detailed answers. Each FAQ can be rated, liked, or commented on, helping others know how useful an answer is. The search functionality allows users to quickly filter and find relevant FAQs by typing keywords. If they still can't find an answer, the Ask a Question feature lets them submit their query instantly through a pop-up or sliding form. Moving to the back end, the Advanced FAQ module gives store owners full control. You can create and manage FAQ topics and set SEO metas for each topic. Within FAQ tab, you can add or edit FAQs. Write detailed answers with images or videos, and assign a FAQ to the topic of your choice. In the module configuration, you have complete control over user interactions. You can enable or disable comments, require admin approval, and manage like or dislike options. For added security, the module also supports Google reCAPTCHA. User ratings can be customized with different colors, and you can define which customer groups are allowed to rate FAQs. The settings also cover the FAQ block and the Ask a Question feature. You can restrict the option to ask questions to registered users only, ensuring higher quality queries. The module offers two themes to choose from for displaying FAQs, allowing you to match the look and feel of your store. Finally, you have flexible email settings. Whenever a new question is submitted, you can send notifications to the email address of your choice, keeping you updated at all times. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to visit us on our website.